Pwede ba, huwag mo nang ipilit na magkaayos pa kami ni Papa. Hindi na mangyayari yun.
Kahit may tampuhan tayo, I still care.
Pwede ba lubayan mo na ako?
Please control yourself. Hindi bagay sa Torre Campo.
Mr. Torrecampo rin ba ang tawag mo kay Edward? Paula na lang.
Okay, Paolo.
You know, I was thinking, nung pinapakilala ko ng mama mo sa Torre Campo Realty, maybe I could apply there.
It's definitely not for you.
We have the rest of our lives to make good memories and I am not going anywhere. Kahit sino pang dumating para manggulo sa atin.
Gusto ko na ng apo.
Masyado pa pong maaga, Dad.
Huwag ka na magtrabaho. If you want to raise a family, you need to make sacrifices. Just like I did.
You couldn't even keep this family together. Yung spoiled brat mo, iniwan ka pa.
But that's different.
No, it's not. Maybe Marge is right. Sayang naman yung talino't galing kung kukulong mo lang sa bahay. You can be a modern woman of the world, Marge. Basta ako, gusto ko na maging lolo.
Wow! It's so big, ha? I never imagined na ganito siya kalaki at kagrande. I can't believe na mas gusto mo pang magstay sa condo kaysa dito.
Han, let's not start.
Hello, Edward! Oh my God! I'm so happy to see you. Oh! Hi, Kaya. Hello po.
Ma, sinamahan ko lang si Thea. And yeah, I wanted to see you too. I miss you, Ma.
I miss you more. You look good.
Well, look who still remembers the address.
Good morning, Dad. We just dropped by.
Drop by? Well, that's new. Usually people don't come back after they've been asked to leave. Bobby!
Kain na tayo, ha? Come on, let's go.
Love, so totoong umalis si Rodriguez at sinama niya yung dalawang junior agents natin?
And the worst part, Love, dinala pa nila si Velasco pati yung Santos accounts natin. Ang laki ng volume nun. Love, 3 buwan natin tinrabaho yun.
Love, kalma. Kalma. Okay? Huwag natin sabayan ng init ng ulo lahat. Huwag tayong magpanik. Baka mas lalo tayong mahirapang bumawi. Alam mo ba kung anong edge meron tayo sa kumpanya? Ikaw. Yung reputation mo. Ikaw yung Torre Campo na marunong makinig at hindi lang basta boss.
And you? Ikaw yung rason kaya hindi ko sinusukot ang kumpanya na to eh. Kahit alam naman nating dalawa na matagal ko nang gustong isuko to.
Gamitin mo yung drama bukas sa client meeting, ha? Baka bumalik sila.
You really know how to calm me down.
Kailangan lang natin ng strategy, love. Huwag natin sabayan ng init ng ulong pagkawala nila. Basta magkasama tayo, kaya nating pumawi.
Sayang. Hindi natin kasama si na Paula and Marge. Busy-busy. Buti pa sila. Always on top of things.
Hey, but Thea mentioned that you're starting something new? Web development company, tama ba, anak?
Yeah. Small team pa lang, Ma. Still kickstarting it. You know, for business registration, basic equipment, and hosting.
Gosh, that's such good news. I'm so happy that you're building something on your own. Proud ako sa'yo, anak. Do you need anything as a kickstart?
Pwede. Maybe a little help for the setup.
Oh, of course I'll help you. Pero anak, sana this time, finish it, ha? Alam kong kayang-kaya mo.
Yes, Ma. This one's for real.
For real? How many times have you heard that line, Regina?
Greg, please.
If he wants to prove himself, he should do it without asking for another check. Or else, it's just another project na hindi tatapusin.
Forget about it, Ma. You shouldn't have offered help in the first place.
Han, saan ka pupunta?
Punta lang ako sa kotse. Maghihintay ako doon. Sumunod ka na lang if you're ready to leave.
Excuse me po.
Let him wait, Thea. Siya yung hinanda ni Regina. Ungrateful talaga.
I'm sorry po, pero serious naman po si Edward sa plans niya.
You know, Thea, I like straightforward people. So I'll be honest with you. This guy has ideas. Good ones even. But he jumps before he learns how to land. Ibang-iba siya sa kapatid niya. Si Paolo, he takes charge. He finishes what he starts. He knows how to carry the family name. Sa negosyong ito, sa pamilyang ito. Pag hindi ka marunong tumayo mag-isa, madali ka matatabunan. Shall we eat?